Cube Stereo Hybrid ONE55, finally a real e-bike novelty from Cube. In 2023 there will be a real innovation from Cube, the new Cube Stereo Hybrid ONE55. It comes with a newly designed carbon frame, new kinematics and geometry, Bosch motor system, 750 watt-hours battery, variable steering angle and, in the top version, weighs less than 22 kilos. It's really easy with the Bosch Smart System. What is interesting about the new Cube Stereo Hybrid 155 is that this bike is an in-house development of absolutely freewheel, and not because Bosch has changed something in the motor system. We have all the information and photos of the new Cube Stereo Hybrid 155 for you. Cube Stereo Hybrid ONE55 SLX motor, Bosch Performance CX Smart System, battery capacity 750 watt-hours, suspension travel V/H 160/150ths of a millimeter, weight 22.6 kilograms, price €6,999, RRP. Cube Stereo Hybrid ONE55 TM, motor, Bosch Performance CX Smart System, battery capacity 750 watt-hours, suspension travel V/H 160/150ths of a millimeter, weight 22.9 kilograms, price €7,999, RRP. Cube Stereo Hybrid ONE55 SLT, engine, Bosch Performance CX Smart System, battery capacity 750 watt-hours, suspension travel V/H 160/150ths of a millimeter, weight 21.9 kilograms, price €9,999, RRP. Cube Stereo Hybrid ONE55 TM, the mid-range model already has everything you need on the trail. At the front, a Fox 38 with a Grip 2 cartridge ensures comfort and performance. 160mm travel is available here. All models come with Newman wheels. 16. Shifting is done here with proven Shimano XT technology. The rear also has a shock made by Fox to match the fork. Cube Stereo Hybrid ONE55 SLT, an absolutely innovative novelty from Cube. The frame is made of lightweight carbon fiber and features a timeless yet modern design. When it comes to the chassis, the top model SLT Fox products from the factory series are used. The cranks are also made of carbon to match the frame. The top model Cube Stereo Hybrid ONE55 SLT is wirelessly shifted with a SRAM AXS shifter. Of course, the handlebars on such a high-end car are also made of carbon. Cube installed the brakes. Magura MT7. Solid and powerful, the seat post is also among the best the market has to offer. A Fox transfer with a stroke of up to 175mm is used here. Cube can also do ergonomics and relies on the in-house natural fit V-neck saddle. Newman Evolution SLE G30 stable carbon wheels with Schwalbe tires. Of course, Cube also uses the Bosch Performance CX motor from the Smart System series in the ONE55. The Minimalistic Remote unit ensures a clean cockpit and communicates with the Bosch LED control unit, which is integrated into the top tube. The system can be started via the LED control unit. The LEDs show the support mode and the charge status of the battery.